If you struggle with entries, if you struggle with trying to find out where to enter, how to enter, what time to do, listen, the system I got is for you. I've been trying to tell y'all that, man. We get to it on the system. It ain't me just trying to sell you, it actually works, man. It's been proven. You feel me? I'm gonna show you in this video, in case you ain't a believer just yet. I'm gonna show you. But before I do that, you know I gotta give you a scripture of the day. Proverbs 21, verse 20. There is a precious treasure in oil in the dwelling of the wise, but a foolish man spends whatever he gets. All this scripture is telling you the people who save for the future, for future investments, future endeavors, actually save the money are wise. Only a fool spends whatever he gets. So if you broke and you've been spending everything you got, come on over to the wise side. You dig what I'm talking about? This video right here gonna show you everything you need to know about the system, man. It's gonna give you what you need, and I'm adding to it here shortly. So whatever you pay for, you get more included. You dig? So let's get into the video. Yo, so we here, man. We about to see what we can do on this good old Monday. $7 trades. I'll start out with $7 trades. I see that's more of a, let's see, GBP CAD. Okay, that's decent. It's giving out buy joints that came out a minute ago. Okay, it's giving out buy joints. So I'm gonna buy here for 1 minute. This is based off the trend. This one's based off overbought, oversold. So this one's giving me, you know, normally I do 3 minutes on these, but lately I've been doing a lot of 1 minute trades. So as you can see, this one pretty much sniper right out the gate. Now I don't know if it's gonna stay that way, but so far it's looking good. Now when it give me the trade, then I'll come down. You know, I can mark smaller zones. Like that, boom. And then I got multiple entries here now. So I just marked each zone that could potentially bounce it. So if it come back down, catch a bounce here, I can catch a bounce down here, something like that, and we'll be in the game. So first trade gonna be a little close one. He trying to come back on your boy, but I think we good. Yeah, we good on this one. Shmoney out the gate. First signal, a success. All right, then I just wait on other ones. Or I can go back and look at, you know, some of these other ones. I will tell you, if you purchase this, anyone that, you know, and they start getting multiple buys and multiple sales on the same pair, yeah, it's pretty much a runner. As you can see, still running. You know what I mean? This is kind of turning into a 10 for the win too, but it is Monday. So on those days, I kind of, you know, stay away. But yeah, essentially, y'all, man, high probability setups. Let me show you. Because you're starting to come into one. Outside the Keltner, stochastic high. We should be getting a sale pretty soon. Now, this is based on what the market normally does, but again, Mondays and Fridays is a little tricky because sometimes they don't like to play with the rules. So this one still has a lot of up momentum, but what I will show you is if you look up here, all this rejection here, that's good stuff. I mean, this whole area up in here, between here and here, we should be getting some type of drop. You know what I mean, if I wanted to stay on this pair, it's a pretty juicy pair. I'm not gonna lie to you. See, we got the zigzag deform. You know, a couple of these here. That's looking good for a drop. We did get something else to come in. Okay, we got a 10 for the win USD CAD. I'm gonna go check on USD CAD right quick. 10 for the win USD CAD. So let's go check that out. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Same thing. So usually on these first ones, I usually sell, but it is Monday. Now, I'm not saying it ain't gonna drop now, but it could. But normally when that happens, I'll go look. Okay, so what I do see here, major drop coming. So we almost there. This whole area here, major drop zone. So between now and here, now, of course, you could do 10 minutes or you could do one. 10 minutes probably be better, honestly, right now, because it is I'm going to do a 1 minute sale here just because we outside the Keltner. We might get a halfway decent drop to about right in here, and they might go back up, or we might drop all the way through. But it did give me the sell signal, so, you know, right here, sell in one. All right. But again, it's Monday, so it could still trend up. But I got my zones above, so I know where my major ones will be at. You feel me? Now, again, if I wasn't hesitant, I could have got in at the top when I seen it, but I kind of waited a little bit, so we're gonna see how this plays out. So this kind of shows you what Mondays will bring. You see? Just to let you know what the Mondays will bring when it's trending like that. So the rules apply, but they usually you might have to just do a longer trade, to be honest. 2, 1. Okay, so I lost that one. So now, dang, I don't want to go 10 minutes for this video, though. I didn't want to do 10 minutes for the video. All right, matter of fact, let me go to N15. Okay, we are almost there. Trying to see if there's anything else to the left. I'm always looking for another zone to the left. We do got more signals coming in, too, so I might be able to catch something better. We'll go to Euro JPY, see what that look like. This one's still marinating. 74. That ain't really it, but that is looking like a buy though. I'm gonna do a 2-minute buy. I'm gonna double up on this one. So we got Euro JPY 2-minute buy. I'm just doing 2 minutes just cause we already got a bounce down here. Right here. So I think the market is trying to head back this way. So we're gonna see. If it comes back down, I'll start buying again in this area. But what pair was on? Was that still USD CAD? I still want to entertain USD CAD as well. So while that's kind of marinating, I'm gonna go back over here to USD CAD. But yeah, as long as you know your zones and all that, man, the signal system fire. We getting up there to the zone, y'all. We getting close. I need to put a bell icon right here just in case. He could drop before then, but as you can see, the signals is heavy saying sell. This right here is starting to do its thing. So this could be the drop, but you know, I'll wait on it. All right, if I can get this to push out, only thing with this trade is that we got a lot of rejection to the left right here. That's gonna prevent it from going up. This whole section is just rejection. That sucks. That sucks. Cause look at this. Reject. Boom. I should have seen that at the beginning. But we're gonna see. I definitely think it'll be buys in the future. I think it'll just it might take longer because of all the zones. So I'm like, I don't want to be going this hard on the 74%. So we might get this one. Let's see. Retracing a little bit. Trying to push out. Yeah, I think we good. We're good. There we go. That's the move we was looking for. Easy shmoney. Boom. All right. So y'all see the vibes. Now let's go back to USD CAD. Signal system fire, man. I don't even really be having to think too much. Yeah, it gave us a little drop. That was decent. Part of me feel like they still want to go up there though. But let me check on something else. Euro Chef. I see Euro Chef got the buy coming. Yes, finally something in the 80s. A buy. Yep. I want to do a 1-minute buy. Boom. All right, look at that. It gave us the buy right there. Let's see if it holds though. So far, so good. Going with the trend, so this is on the higher time frame. So far, so good. But we do got rejection up here, so we could retrace hard. So we got to keep that in mind. Look at that. We got rejection coming up close. Oh, but he pushing though. That's what I'm talking about. Snipers off the signals. Signals is powerful, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. They beastie. Now, if you're trading Forex, these will be your take profits up here. Sheesh. We cooking. We cooking. Oh, my gosh. Stop playing. Hurry up and close out because it look like news. Or retrace on me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shmoney in the bank. Shmoney in the bank, man. So, as you can see, It works, and this is going into 10 for the win. I could literally do this all day. I literally stop myself from placing multiple trades all day long on this thing. But it works amazing. You know what I'm saying? So again, if you haven't, tested it out, if you are live trading with us, you get to trade it, test it out 1 hour on the call to see if you enjoy it, if you like it. If you actually want to purchase it, it will be $85 a month. But it's worth it, as you can see. I'm just cooking non-stop. All you got to do is understand zones. You good. The ones that say true trend PO, these just based off the trend. 10 for the win is based off overbought, oversold. So eventually you're going to get one of these overbought, oversold levels because of this. So it's giving you both plays, the trend and overbought, oversold levels. And it's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to add zones to it too. I got a zone one coming out soon. So easy, shmoney, man. God bless y'all. Lord willing, I'll see you on another one, man. Holla at your boy. Let's go.